Hustle culture is lying to you. They tell you to sleep when you are dead. If you follow that advice, you will be dead much sooner. Today, we distill Why We Sleep by Matthew Walker. We are exposing the silent killer of the 21st century. Sleep is not a luxury. It is your ultimate biological weapon. Concept number 1. The memory wipedown. When you stay up late to work or study, you are destroying your own effort. Sleep is when your brain transfers information, from short-term memory to long-term storage. If you sleep less than 6 hours, you are literally hitting the delete button on your day. Concept number 2. Emotional fragility. Have you ever noticed that you are more reactive when you are tired? Without enough sleep, the emotional center of your brain becomes hyperactive. You lose your stoic armor. You become impulsive. You become a pawn to your emotions. Concept number 3. The physical toll. Routinely sleeping less than 6 hours demolishes your immune system. It doubles your risk of cancer. It is a key lifestyle factor, determining whether or not you will develop Alzheimer's disease. You cannot outwork biology. The distillation is a warning. Sleep is the greatest legal performance enhancer on Earth. Guard your 8 hours like it is your most valuable asset. Because it is. Subscribe to the Distilled Mind. We build minds that last. Class dismissed.